Folding at home is a very ambitious project determining the structure of proteins. If we can determine how the proteins work, then we unlock the mysteries of how normal cells operate, and we also unlock the mysteries of really dangerous things like bacteria and viruses like Ebola and the novel coronavirus.
I found the Folding at Home project pretty early on, and I had it running on a bunch of my machines at home. I was planning on talking with Adrian, our director of IT, but Amir beat me to it before I could get in to talk to him about it.
It's just outstanding that the company has this kind of culture. It starts at the top and it permeates the whole organization. And then we should thank the IT team for really making it happen.
We've got 10 laptops here and 3 virtual servers running Folding at Home with some of our GPUs, and then I think 2 others that are running CPU cores.
Over 700,000 people have donated time on their computers, and the Folding at Home team has put these all together into the world's largest supercomputer.
It puts them easily faster than the next 500 supercomputers combined, which has really given them a substantial leg up. They've made groundbreaking discoveries and progress, but they still need more computational power to help speed up the process.
I would encourage companies and individuals to donate their idle cycles. It doesn't cost anything, and it can make a real difference.
If you can't donate your computer resources, on their website they have a link to one of the universities that they partner with, and you can donate money there as well.
Their homepage is informative. It keeps us all up to date on the discoveries that their project has uncovered.
It gives you a little bit of a ray of hope that beyond not spreading the virus, I'm also helping researchers find a cure and vaccines.